Welcome to Primavera P6 lesson, and today we are going to learn about the different activities that we can add in our project. So how we can add the activities in our project? It is too simple and easy. First we have to go to there. As you can see here, we have an add button over here, so we can add our activity like this too, or we can just simply right click and click on the add button over here. Okay, so here we are going to assign this activity in ID. For example, our project in this case is related to creating two-story building. So our first activity is designing. 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 Okay, and activity. Okay, I'm going to write this name is DIG1. Okay, and its name would be designing. Okay, so that's the first step. And in the second step, what would we do is, again I'm going to add an activity again too, and here the activity ID will be manufacturing, or we can say QA and QC. Okay, Q and QC, and its name will be quality control and assurance. Okay, next it will come under finish. That's the second activity. The third activity would be manufacturing. So I'm going to write MNU2. I will write the name over here, manufacturing. And yes, okay. So let me. Okay, if I want it to go down, so you can. Oh, okay, that's a little bit mistake. I want this manufacturing to go down. So what will I do? I will just cut it and paste it. Okay. So okay, we will stop this for now. We will see these things later on. Let's stop our video over here. I believe that you guys will learn something from this lecture. And in the further lecture, we are going to talk about the activity start time, the activity end time, and a lot of other steps too. So yeah, thank you so much for now. See you in our. Take care.